Hello boys and girls, today we're going to be looking at lesson 12.2, Describe multiplication. You're going to find it in your GoMath Vol.1, GoMath Vol.1, and we're going to be looking at page 393. 393. All right? Lesson 12.2, Describe multiplication, Volume 1, page 393. We're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to look at our essential question. It says, how can you describe what it means to multiply? So Monday, we were looking at repeated addition, and repeated addition is the same thing as multiplication, only we're adding to find our answer. So when we're multiplying, you're actually putting equal groups together, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started with Explore. It says, use counters to model the problem. Then draw a picture of your model. Write a number sentence. Okay, so my counters today, I have a container of beans. You can use whatever. If you have marbles, little balls, little toys, cereal is a good example. Anything that you can just count. That can be a counter, okay? So we're going to get started with our problem. At the bottom it says, read the problem to children, then have them model the problem using counters and write a number sentence for it. So that's what we're going to do together. It says, Robbie has 5 boxes of DVDs. 5 boxes. Okay, so I went ahead and drew 5 boxes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and each box holds 7 DVDs. In each one, there are 7 DVDs. How many DVDs does Robbie have? So first we're going to go ahead and create our groups, which I already have my 5 groups. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my beans as counters. And I'm going to put 7 beans in each box. So each bean is going to represent, or it's going to count as a DVD. Okay, so we need 7 in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 1 box ready to go. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Don't run away. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. Okay. So here is my model. We have 5 boxes, 7 DVDs in each one. How many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We already counted them. 7. We're going to do 7 plus. We have another 7 here. 7 plus 7, because we have another 7 there, plus 7. We know we have 7 here, plus 7. Then we have the last box. We know we have 7 there, plus 7. So we have 5 boxes of 7. So we should have 5 7s that we're adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, equals. So now we're going to figure out how many does it equal. All right. So we have 7. So we know this is 7. 7 plus 7. We know 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 7, so we have another 7. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. It's 28 plus 7, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So this is 35 DVDs. 35. So Robbie has 35 DVDs. Now, so that way we can keep this as an example and we don't forget, we're going to take off our counters, but every time we take off our counters, we have to draw it in. So we know we have 7 counters there. I'm going to draw 7 DVDs, which are like little circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take off the second box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take off the third box. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next box with DVDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there we go. Let me take all my counters off. Hopefully not make a mess, because that won't be good. Here we go. So now I have this as my example. All right. We're going to go ahead and we're going to flip over to the next page, 394. We're going to work on those together so that way you know how to do the rest of them. All right. With model and draw, it says when you multiply, multiplication. Told you we would work on that later. When you multiply, you join equal groups. So join means the same thing as putting together. It says use the pictures to describe equal groups. All right, so this is our picture that's next to it. It says there are 4 cans, all right? 1 can, 2 cans, 3 cans, 4 cans. So these cans are like our groups. So we have 4 groups, or we have 4 cans. It says each can has 3 tennis balls. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yep. All right. So now the question says, so there are blank tennis balls in all. So now we need to figure out how many there are in all. So we're going to go ahead and do a repeat addition. This is kind of easy because it's already set up for us. So we have 3. Here we have 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is what? That's right. 6 plus 3 more. 9 plus 3 more. 12. You can count back to check yourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So there are 12 tennis balls in all. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Next one, there are blank trays. Here we go. How many trays do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups, or we have 3 trays. Each tray has blank muffins. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. All right. So each tray has how many muffins? That's right. 6 muffins. Again, we need to figure out, so there are blank muffins in all. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with our addition sentence. So we have 6 plus 6 plus 6. We'll have 3 trays of 6, so we're going to add 6 3 times. We have 6 here. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There we go. So there are 18 muffins in all. Let's check ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yep. Alrighty. So now we're going to do share and show. As you can see with our sentences, they're writing less and less words. So this is where we have to start writing how to write in all the extra words that they're using, okay? So it says number 1. There are blank boxes of crayons. All right, here's 1. Here's 2. So how many boxes of crayons do we have? That's right. We have 2 boxes of crayons. It says each blank has blank. What are we talking about? What do we have? Boxes. So we're going to write each box has, what does each box have? Well, they have crayons. We're going to count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one also has 10. So each box has 10 crayons. All right. So it says, so there are blank in all. Okay, so now we need to figure out how many crayons do we have. We can write our addition sentence, which is easy. You just put in a plus sign there. So we're going to have 10 plus 10. We have 2 boxes of 10. So now we're just going to skip count. We're going to skip count by 10. 10 plus another 10, 20. Easy. So there are 20 crayons. Remember, you need to tell me what we're talking about, or Ms. Alangel's going to think we're talking about cats. So there are 20 crayons in all. Good. Last one. It says there are blank bicycles. Let's figure out how many bicycles we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 bicycles. Each blank has, what are those called again? Oh, that's right, they're bicycles. We're not talking about cats, we're talking about bicycles. So each, I'm gonna make it short. Each bike has, so what does each bike have? Let's go with the easy thing, wheels. So how many wheels does each bike have? This bike has 2 wheels. 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 And this bike has 2 wheels. So each bike has 2 wheels. So now we need to figure out the last sentence. So there are blank in all. All right. We're going to start with our addition sentence. We have 5 groups. So how many times are we going to add 2? That's right, 5 times. We're going to do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Equals. So we need to figure out, what does that equal? We can count by 2s. 2 wheels, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So we have 10 wheels. So there are 10 wheels in all. So there are 5 bicycles. Each bike has 2 wheels. So there are 10 wheels in all. Good. So just like that, okay? You're going to practice with your parents or by yourself. Page 395 and 396. Now notice, for 3, 4, and 5, you're writing your own sentences. So here they started you with there are blank stacks of books. Remember, make your groups, count how many books. Each stack, now it only says each stack. You have to write has, and then tell me how many books. Has blank books. Then you fill in the rest of the question. So it says, so I should say, so there are blank books in all. Okay? Remember, if you don't remember what you need to write, you just look at this part. They have, there are. So you need to fill in this part on whatever it is that they're talking about. Then it says each stack, you're going to write has, and then you tell me what they're talking about. Then in the last one, so there are, and then fill in the rest of it. In all, okay? So you're just gonna write these words in. You're gonna write in the numbers and what it is that you're talking about, okay? That's what you're gonna use here. Here, this one. You're gonna look at the pictures and then it says, then write the total number of legs. Use the pictures, guys. That was not hard. It just makes you think a little. This one, if they don't give you pictures, draw it in, okay? Draw your pictures or use your counters. Same thing for these, okay? If you have any questions, please give me a call, send me a message, send me a text message, okay? Anything. I'm here to help you guys, okay? I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Please, if you need any help, please let me know, okay? Bye, you guys. See you next time.